Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is 68 Firebird. Top goes down, red interior, beautifully restored. You're gonna love checking it out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna put it on the lift so you can see just how nice the bottom is. We're gonna raise the hood. We're gonna get out and drive it. We're gonna show you everything you need to see. So come on up, we'll fire it up for you right now. So check this beauty out, man. The chrome on that front bumper looks new, the grille looks new, and look at that red paint. I tell you what, that red paint looks like it's electrified. It is beautiful. Those hood scoops with that 400 under there, the thing is sweet, guys. We got the hood tack there, factory appearing wheels, we got Firestone tires on it. The door gaps are looking good. The door's nice and flush with the front fender, nice and straight here, nice and straight here. Everything looking good. Door jamb looks good. Door panel looks good. Look at that red interior. It's even got a tilt column in it. Check out the upholstery on the seats, the wood grain on that center console, and yeah, that's a 4-speed, guys, and it's got a clock on there. And look at this. Super rare fold down seat on this dude. You can haul anything in here or set this thing up for a parade. Set your butt up on there, put your feet down on there, and go parading. The dash is in beautiful shape. Rear spoiler's looking good. Now we do have one nick over here that we're gonna send that out and have that nick all fixed up so it'll be brand new looking. Inside the trunk here, we got the shakers, we got a brand new mat, we got the Space Saver spare. You always want to look down inside here. You can see they coated everything, looking good there. Just beautiful. We got electric antenna. When you look down the side of the car, straight as an arrow. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own this Firebird. Right now, we're bringing in between 45 and 50 new units every week. We've got about 230 in stock, and I'm in charge of picking out every one of those cars. So what that means to you is you're getting my expert help helping you pick out your dream car. All right, 68 Firebird time. Top goes down, and it is a beautiful day to go for a drive in the convertible. Got 4-speed, beautiful red paint, driving awesome, sounding awesome. Hood tack out there, looks like it's working. Car's amazing, guys. Top goes down, sun feels great. And Vanguard can park this car in your driveway no matter where you live in the world. We make it really easy for you. All you have to do is make a phone call to Tom and he will take care of the rest. We will park this stream in your drive no matter where you live in the world. Tom can explain to you how easy that is. Just give him a call. He's answering his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. Call him anytime. Even if he does not answer, he will call you back. Even if you don't leave him a message, as long as your phone number pops up on that man's phone, he will call you back. Also, if you'd like to come visit us, we're real close to the airport, only 20 minutes. Fly on in, check us out. If you'd like to drive in, we're here on Saturdays. No problem whatsoever. If you'd like to send in an inspector, just call us, let us know he's coming. That way we can make sure we got your favorite car right up front so we can get at it quick. Now we do have 80,000 square feet of indoor storage and over 230 cars in stock. So every now and then we might have to move a couple cars to get to your favorite car. So make sure you call us, let us know you're coming so we can have it all ready for you. And get around these guys laying concrete here, putting in a new sidewalk. Look at them, they're all checking us out. They're loving this baby. Like I said, we're right outside the Motor City. If you're here on business, we have people come in all the time that are flying in, it's got a delay. Like I said, it's only a 20-minute trip, and our airport is so easy to get in and out of. Come on down. We have people all the time fly in the morning. We do all their paperwork, go out for a drive, we get them back to the airport, and they're back home at the end of the day, and their dream is on their way to their driveway. We're gonna get up here to our shop where we're gonna do something nobody else does in the industry. We're gonna put this car up on the rack so you can check out the underside. We're gonna pop the hood, take a look at the motor compartment. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your Firebird investment. We'll get around the corner here, we'll show you the building. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. You gotta stick with us now because we're gonna get it up in the air for you right now. We're gonna check out the underside. We're gonna show it all to you. Here's our main facility right here. So stick with us, we're gonna put it in the air now. All right, we're underneath this 68 Firebird now. It's just as clean under here. You can see the gas tank's been all restored. The spring packs look like they've been restored. It's got a complete stainless steel exhaust system on it. I see new U-bolts, I see the backing plates, I see new pins here. Looks like new drums, new brake lines, and the guys will pull the brakes all apart, make sure they're in good working order. Right around the 342 in here in this 10 bolt. And it is posi. Everything, you know, that whole rear end housing's all painted up nice too. It's got new fuel lines going front to back, new brake lines going front to back. Looks like the parking brake cable's hooked up. Floorboards are nice and clean here. The rockers look good. You can see the extra spot welds there for the beautiful work they did there, and they blacked out everything, and the pinch weld looks good. The floorboards look good here. The pipes up here are nice and clean also. It looks like the bushings here on the subframe look like they're new. The subframe is also nicely painted. We've got a Muncie 4-speed transmission here, stock appearing bell housing. We got 400 Pontiac power up front. We've got disc brakes up front. Backing plates look new. The rotors look like they're new. The bushings on the sway bars look new. Again, the frame is nicely painted. I see new brake lines here. The brake line going left to right looks like it's new. I mean, the car's completely restored. The front valance here is nice and clean. The wheels and tires here, the tires look fairly new too. We got Firestones here. We got 215/70 14s. The wheels, the paintwork looks great. The trim rings look good. The center caps look great. The wheel lip moldings look good. The bottom rocker here looks good. I always look at the back side of the front fenders here and try to feel around back there. It's nice and smooth there. And you can see this whole area here. All this stuff's nice and clean. You can tell car was very well kept since 1968. We take a look at the back here. We see we've got 215/70 14s back here, and again, the wheel paint looks good, center caps look good, trim rings look good, wheel lip moldings look good. Always feel this area here too. All you should feel is where that inner wheelhouse comes out to the quarter. Just make sure you're careful of those screws. They are sharp as hell on the back. Let's check under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got Pontiac 400 power. We've got power brakes, power steering. It's got a stock appearing carburetor on it, stock appearing intake manifold. It is an air conditioning car from the factory. Firewall's nicely painted, inner wheelhouses are nicely painted. Radiator looks like it's a rebuilt unit. This whole area up front here has been all refinished. They even took the paintwork right down into the front edge here, the front fenders where the hood hinges bolt on. The whole air conditioning unit looks like it's been restored. Everything's been polished up. All the hoses look good. All the vacuum hoses look great. All the wiring looks good, right down to the Delco battery. This car is sweet, guys. She's a convertible. She's a Firebird. It's red on red. It's got a 400 in it. It's beautiful. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.